Typhoon is a premium amphibious all-terrain vehicle with ultra-low pressure tires. It has an ultra-light aluminum body that is resistant to aggressive off-road environments. The aluminum lining of the interior and body does not corrode. The frame is integrated into the body and is made of lightweight Swedish Stockholm steel. Due to this, it was possible to reduce the weight of the all-terrain vehicle and increase its maneuverability. Low-pressure tires have a diameter of 1,650 millimeters and a displacement of 1,000 liters per reel. This allows you to pass any water obstacles and get out onto the ice in case of failure. Siberian all-terrain vehicles are an amphibious all-terrain vehicle with independent suspension on ultra-low pressure tires. Equipped with engines ranging from 140 to 220 horsepower. The ATV is capable of carrying up to 800 kilograms of payload. It also has positive buoyancy, and thanks to its width of more than 2 meters, it is impossible to capsize, even in fast currents. Easily passes through dense forest, swamps, snow and fragile ice.
The SEVER pickup truck is equipped with a 152 horsepower diesel engine and can carry up to 2 tons of cargo. A huge margin of safety and record cross-country ability allow it to confidently move off-road at any time of the year, including in extreme weather conditions. Alexe Sherp built this 10-wheeled Sherp for expeditions and long journeys. The machine received an articulated frame, 2 axles in front, the rest in the rear. The steering is hydrostatic, allowing you to lift or fold the front axle of the all-terrain vehicle with a slight movement of the steering wheel. Sherp is equipped with a turbocharged Kubota engine with a volume of 3,800 cubic centimeters and a power of about 100 horsepower. Also, in this all-terrain vehicle, instead of control levers, a steering wheel is installed, on which the buttons of the main controls are located. The central place on the helm is occupied by a tablet computer with a touch screen. The main feature of the all-terrain vehicle Shaten 6x6 is a breakable frame, which consists of 2 sections connected to each other by a rotary coupling device. Thanks to this, the model's cross-country ability is maximum. It is able to pass through the most inaccessible areas without damage or breakage. The mechanism allows the links to fold relative to each other in a horizontal plane, turn off-road, and maneuver on water quickly, without effort or hesitation. TROM 20 is a 3-link 12-wheel amphibious all-terrain vehicle with ultra-low pressure tires. Designed for year-round and all-weather operation and is capable of transporting 5 tons of cargo or 25 people afloat and through swamps of any category. When driving on dense soils, the load capacity is 10 tons. ATV design consists of 3 sections. The bottom of the sections is flat, all components and assemblies are located inside the sections. Each section has 4 wheels driven by toothed rollers based on the tire tread pattern. All-wheel drive all-terrain vehicles, Predator, are produced in various modifications and configurations, with a gasoline or diesel engine. A distinctive feature of the Predator all-terrain vehicle are low-pressure tires. There are several modifications and configurations of the Predator all-terrain vehicles. These are both four-wheeled and six-wheeled vehicles. All modifications are equipped differently, but cope equally well with their main task, to move where ordinary cars cannot pass. This all-terrain vehicle, called Predator, was developed by Meg West back in 2007. It was designed specifically for use in swampy taiga and tundra conditions. The machine is produced in small batches and is in constant demand among northern oil workers, gas workers, and timber workers. The Predator is equipped with tubeless tires measuring 1700 by 750. The body frame is made of a profile pipe, lined with duralumin. The curb weight of the all-terrain vehicle is 4,000 kilograms. The Predator's ground clearance is 600 millimeters. Gearbox 5-speed, manual. The carrying capacity of the all-terrain vehicle on dense soils, as well as on weak soils and afloat, is 1,500 kilograms. The maximum speed on the highway is 50, and the minimum speed is 1.5 kilometers per hour. The speed on the water is about 4.5 kilometers per hour. The engine used is a Kubota diesel with a turbine and a volume of 3,800 cubic centimeters. Engine power is 98 horsepower. This unique machine boat was created in the city of St. Petersburg by a tuning studio. From the outside, everything looks as if it is an ordinary car with its wheels moving on water. In fact, this is an ordinary boat, on which a body that looks like a car was attached on top. The interior of the floating Mustang seats 4 people. There are no doors. The maximum speed on water is 74 kilometers per hour.